This machine is joining 3 strands of wire together to make the ubiquitous barbed wire that we're all familiar with in our paddocks. This is another barbed wire machine over here, but it's doing something different. No, they haven't forgotten something. This wire here is what they call safe twist. You and I might call it Barbless Barb. You see, they've taken the barb out of barbed wire. So by the end of this video, you'll either think I'm a genius or a raving lunatic. Let's see how this stuff works. It runs out just like barbed wire. It ties off easier than barbed wire, and you won't be needing these. You can run it out with the same equipment that you use for barbed wire, which could be as simple as a spike on the tray of your ute or something a bit fancier. You won't have to buy new equipment to use this if you're already using barb. Safe twist performs like barbed wire when it's being strained too. You don't have to put it under as much tension, you don't need as fancy as strainers, and it doesn't put old timber end assemblies under as much strain. If you wondered why the fences of 50 years ago lasted so long, it's because the materials were more springy and didn't put as much strain on the fence in order to perform. This woven design, exactly the same. So safe twist is as easy to run out as barbed wire. You don't need any special tools. It looks after your timber box end assemblies because it establishes a good finish at a lower strain tension. But there's a host of other reasons why this is good stuff too. Let's go through them. Visibility. What if barbed wire works well for stock, not because it hurts them, but because it's more visible and it makes the fence a more visual barrier? Check out the difference between this safe twist and the plain wire beneath it. The safe twist is not only glinting, but its irregular, fatter shape make it a lot more visible on the fence line, creating a visual deterrent before the animal even gets close to the fence. It's more bouncy. Because the safe twist, like barbed wire, is a woven wire, it's basically a coil spring on your fence. You can hit this harder and it will bounce back without stretching like plain wires. It also puts much less pressure, once again, on your end assemblies when a shock load does happen to impact the fence. It looks like a real fence. You might not want to use barbed wire, but your neighbour might be stuck on it. This could be a good compromise, particularly with the top wire. Let me tell you why. A recent study by the C4 group in Queensland found that by replacing the top strand only of a standard barbed wire fence, animal injuries on that fence were reduced by 70%. Now, we're not just talking kangaroos here that make a smelly mess. We're talking things like cassowaries, we're talking things like microbats. All of them get caught on these top wires. So by just replacing the top barb on a standard barbed wire fence with safe twist, you can dramatically impact the outcomes for native wildlife, increase your farm biodiversity, and get along better with your neighbours. So for safer, easier, more resilient fences that you can put together without any fancy gear, safe twist might be the go. What do you reckon? Am I off my chops? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like this kind of content, and don't forget, share this with someone who still thinks barbed wire is the way to go.